Good evening everyone, I'm Nidhi. Before I start, a quick question. Have you ever made something, maybe a cake, wrapped a gift or a school project? It worked perfect at home, but the moment you showed it to someone important, something went wrong. So it happens to all of us. Well, it happens to me when I was doing an electronics project. How many of you are from EC or electrical engineering? Then you might understand the trauma which I am going to describe. LIC subject, linear integrated circuits. For rest of all, it's a universe way of saying, here are some wires, here are some components, and then make a circuit. So this was in our 4th semester of college. I have to make a circuit on breadboard first and then solder it into a PCB. How many of you have ever done soldering? So well, quite many. So it's like you're joining two metal parts with a melted metal. But if your hand slips, it can ruin your whole circuit. So I started with breadboard. My breadboard version was working fine. My circuit was behaving as expected. LEDs were glowing. Then I went into soldering. Soldered it into a PCB. And I tested it. It worked. Then my professor came. He plugged the circuit to the power supply. And guess, none of the LEDs were working. The moment, when your brain just freezes, that was me. But he gave me some time. I had an hour to fix that circuit. Then I went into a full detective mode. I checked all the components. LEDs, fine. Resistors, fine. Circuit connections, fine. Then what went wrong? Then I found the main culprit, the IC. That. Then I looked at my surrounding. I saw that the room was half empty. I felt nervous. My hands were shaking. I was panicking. In that hurry, in that nervousness, I made a small messy spot of solder in the corner. But I didn't care. I want it to work. And it was working. And then my professor checked and said, Nidhi, did you do it yourself? Yes, sir. Are you sure? Then he checked that tiny messy spot and said, that's how you know it's yours. That messy spot had saved me that day. He doubted me not because it cannot be done, but I had a limited time. I have resoldered my circuit. I have removed the connection and then soldered it again, and yet the soldering was neat and clean. That messy spot had taught me a lesson. Sometimes it's okay to not be perfect. We chase for perfection every day in our life. In our jobs, in our relationship, everywhere we try to be perfect. Whenever we write an email, we want it to be flawless. Whenever we try to write a code, we want it to be perfect. Whenever we are sending a message in Teams, we want it to be without a typo. Everywhere we want to achieve perfection. But perfection has a limitation. It's forgettable. If I had made that project perfect at the first time, I would have forgotten it. Imperfection made it unforgettable. It tells the story of struggle. It tells the story of problem solving. So whenever I see that any messy spot in my life, then I remember that it makes us feel human. It makes us feel real. I'm sure you all might have gone through an email or a code where you have thought, this might be not written by this person. It's been copied and pasted from an LLM. Imperfection feels it human. So next time you are chasing perfection and you are stressed, remember, it's okay to have a tiny messy spot in your life. Thank you.